My first meal today is 3 p.m. I've got some beef patties, scrambled eggs, sa ilalim niyan yung dinakdakan na natira kagabi, and mayonnaise. Let's go. Burger na walang tinapay. Solve ka pa kasi yung laki. Chicken dinakdakan.